Yeah, I understand that you must be very jealous of me because I have a perfect life. I have a good career. I am engaged to be married to the most amazing man. But who are you? Look at you. You're just here, an ordinary girl trying to fit in my dress. But you know what? You can never be like me, no matter how hard you try.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You would always be that ordinary girl, clapping, cheering me up, and admiring me. That's it and nothing else. Rowan, enough. I've had enough of this, okay? Please. Where's the makeup? Where is she? The stupid makeup artist that did this thing to my face. God. See, put a fan on my face. I'm sweating.
Ma, your makeup is fine and your clothes is perfect. Yes.
Could you shut up your mouth, eh? What do you know about fashion? Look, you're not in the right place to advise me about these things. Stick to what you know are best to do. My assistant. Rubbish. See, just get my things together. I think I'm done here. Where's my phone? Fast! Do I have missed calls?
No.
And get me a new makeup artist, okay? Fire this one. Get me a new one.
Are you okay?
Yes. You really need to take a short break because I see that we're going to have a long day.
Okay, say that again. Look at this one.
Then I don't know why she's complaining.
And this one. Then this one.
I don't like this picture. I don't like any of these pictures. Rowan, what's the meaning of this? Eh? So you mean you had me up all morning just to come up with this garbage? See, take that away from my sight.
But you requested.
And I am saying I don't need it anymore. Take it away.
Okay, for you.
Thank you.
Why are you giving him a drink? Eh? What has he done so well for you to be serving him drink? He just made a mess of my picture and you think he deserves a drink?
I'm sorry.
What's this? What's this? Oh my God. What's the meaning of this? See, look at my face on this one. It looks like I have acne. When in real life, my face, my skin is all flawless.
Ma'am, I think you were in a bad mood. Why not let me just give you a while to relax? Then I'll come back. Because these pictures have not even been edited. I'm still going to work on them.
Excuse you. What did you just say, Ruben?
Ma'am, I'm not trying to disrespect you, but what I'm saying in essence is I am a professional photographer. I know my onions. I can't just watch you talk down on me and make it look as if I don't know what I'm doing. My clients don't complain about my work. It's just check my track records. Just give me some time. That's what I'm saying.
Then you're either not as professional as you think, or your other clients are just as stupid as you are.
What? You know what? I am done. Quit.
No, come back here. You cannot quit because I am firing you, Rowan. I am. Now get out of my house immediately. Get out of my sight.
I was already leaving. Enjoy your day, man.
Rubbish. Out! Clark! Clark, come here! I just fired Rowan now. Get me another photographer, videographer, anyone, okay, for my shoots. Just scout for one immediately.
The heart was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human. For someone to feel they have all power, treat people like their lives don't matter.
Is the car ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have a 9 a.m. with Hansi Gala. I better not be late. Tell that to Jonas.
Okay, ma. Your coffee is ready.
Okay. What the hell are you doing here? I thought I fired you.
Well, I quit before you fired. Come on, Belle. It's just the two of us. Let's be frank. Nobody in their right senses will want to work under you. You have a very dirty attitude. With due respect.
Ruben, are you daring me?
No, I'm not. I'm just saying, let us bury the hatchet and move on. Simple.
Apologize. In that way, I won't feel like I need you. Because I don't.
But you actually do, don't you?
No, I do not. You need my money. I am paying you so you can pay your bills. Apologize, Ruben.
Fine. I'm sorry.
Make it sound more genuine.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Do it with a smile.
I'm sorry.
Better be careful because next time you will be getting another chance.
Nice banking with you again, ma'am.
Where are those from?
Well, it's a special gift. It says, from your secret admirer to the most beautiful woman on earth.
Throw it away.
It's beautiful.
It's cheap. Get rid of it and get your ass in the car. I'm running late. So, tell me, what do you think of these collections? These are world-class designs, and it took me an entire year to get this done.
I'm sorry, pal, but this isn't Hansi Galland standard. This can't make it to my stage, not to talk on my magazine. Nah. Hell no, baby girl.
Oh, baby. Hazel, let's just be serious for once now. Jokes apart. You can't be saying this now. See, these designs are magnificent. They're unique.
Yeah, they're unique. No doubt about it. But this is not marketable. Not on my stage. Pearl, listen. You are a very beautiful lady. You're smart and you're very talented. But this is not it. You have all it takes to shine on that stage. But I feel there's something lacking. That I don't know. You have to figure it out. Improve your craft, and when you're done, come back, let's talk business.
See, Hazel, I mean, this isn't fair now. Eh?
I'm sorry, pal. Just work on it. Okay?
See, this is the third freaking time that lady is turning down my application. Well, I don't blame her because I know what the problem is. She's insecure. See, I am way prettier than her. I am smarter. And she knows if I walk on that stage with my designs, she's finished. Because she's losing all her clients to me. Nonsense. See, Hazel is just a big hater. Well, I don't blame her because if I were to be her, I'll be scared of me.
Look, babe, calm down. You know I hate it when you're stressed. Forget about Hansi Gala. It's a local stage. I promise you international, remember. They will come begging to work with you very soon. So relax. Oh, don't you trust me anymore?
Ash, I do. It's just that I really wanted my designs to be out there this year. You know, that has been my greatest dream.
Yeah, I know. I'll make that happen. I promise you. Okay?
Okay.
Cheryl, I have something for you.
What? Why are you acting like that? Ash.
Let's make this official.
My God. This is so beautiful. I love it.
I'm glad you do.
My God. I am engaged. Oh, God. Oh, stop it.
No, not until you delete it.
Wait, just for a day.
You promise not to make this public.
Fine. I'll delete it, but just move away first.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I promise.
Okay.
Go now.
Delete it now. I'm watching.
Okay.
I need to make sure you're doing it.
Are you okay now?
Girl, you know how much I hate my private affairs flying around social media? Come on. This engagement is between you and I and our families. Okay? So I don't want you posting any stuff on your page until after our wedding.
Okay, sir. Hazel.
What does she want?
I don't know. Hello. Oh, wow. That's great. Okay. I will go on with it then. Yeah, I promise you won't be disappointed this time. Okay. Bye.
What?
She's giving me until weekend to edit and resubmit my designs. Wow. Anyway, I know she needs me.
That's great. That's great. But if you ask me, you know what I'll say?
What?
Screw her.
You're right. Screw her.
Come here.
Stupid girl.
The heart was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human.
Rowan, you're still here?
Oh yes, I started to finish 1 or 2 editing before she comes back.
Okay. But I don't think she's coming back. She updated on her handle that she and Ash just got engaged.
What? Wow, that's good news. Congratulations to her, of course. I'm just surprised.
Surprised? Why are you surprised? The engagement has been long overdue. These two have been dating before her career.
Wow, I mean, yeah, it's just amazing. Is it not? It's really amazing, right?
Okay, I'll just go shower, then go to bed. If you're leaving, just wake me up, okay?
Sure, I'll do that.
All right. Are you sure you're okay?
Me? Of course, but why wouldn't I be okay? I'm very good. I'm Gucci.
Okay.
Hey, you! Wake up! What's the meaning of this? Eh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Did you pass the night here?
Oh my God, I guess I slept off while I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me? And why would you be waiting for me? Get yourself out of this place at once! Nonsense.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Wait. Are you two...
No, hell no. What? No.
Clerk, you dating him?
No, I didn't even know he slept here.
And why are you so defensive? Well, I do not expect you to admit it, but it's very obvious. Clark, you're sleeping with my videographer. Eh? Well, I am not surprised. Eh? It's not like I expect anything better for you. You both deserve each other. But you know what? Do not do it in my house next time. If you want to do this, follow him to the slum where he probably crawls out from, and not in my house. Get me a cup of tea.
You slept here?
I guess I slept off. It wasn't my fault.
Gosh.
The heart was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human.
Man, girl, guy, Pearl is pretty. Like the prettiest girl I've ever dated. Do you know something? When I saw her, I knew she was the one.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that this whole thing you're talking about now is just about her beauty alone?
Guy, what else does a man want? You want a woman who will fulfill his wants and desires in the other room.
Okay.
Listen, looks means everything to me. I don't care about her character. I can shape her into what I want.
Oh. Yeah. So, like, in other words, what you're trying to tell me now is that you wouldn't have been with her if not for how beautiful she is.
Guy, I already told you this now. Never. My woman has to be presentable.
Oh. Well, I mean, you're old enough to make right decisions for yourself. So that's nice. And again, wow, congratulations. At least now you're retiring from other girls now. yeah, because now you should be very serious now.
Talking about that.
Okay.
My game is still on.
No, you have to retire. Guy, you're retiring already.
Guy, mind yourself. So no, you want to enjoy all those grades for this street, Abby?
Oh, but well, because I'm still the single guy, yeah, but so you're still going to be hunting.
Guy,
Bad guy,
I don't feel retired for this.
You're retiring already.
No, I can't retire.
Is there something you need me to do for you, ma'am?
How long before you finish that? It's taking forever.
Almost done.
So, you're dating my girl now. You do know she's too pretty to be with you, right?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
You do not deserve her.
Okay, fine. So what kind of a girl do you think I deserve now?
Someone in your class. Well, both of you are actually in the same class socially. But I picture Clark with a more defined gentleman. Someone who isn't you.
Why does it bother you so badly? I mean, with due respect, ma'am, you're beginning to give me the vibe that you're jealous.
Ha! Jealous, me jealous? For what exactly? Ha, please! Come off it.
Fine. Then whoever I choose to be with should be my business, right?
You know what? I just think Clark doesn't deserve to be with someone like you.
Then allow her to be the judge. I mean, it's advisable not to drink paracetamol on top of another person's headache.
Get that thing done fast and get out of my house. The sight of you is beginning to irritate me.
The heart was made to be delicate.
Sorry, ma'am.
When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human. For someone.
Hey, Clark, thank God you're here.
You called, ma.
So I want you to help me select an outfit with a shoe to match.
Okay, from here.
Yeah, from here. Gosh, you don't know how long I have waited for him to pop the question. You needed to see the excitement on my face when he finally surprised me with the shrink. It's beautiful, right?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Thank you. And today, I'll be going to meet with his family. Yeah, finally I'm getting married to the love of my life.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you, darling.
Ma, this will go.
Okay, please just quickly get ready. I'm running late. And my makeup. You help me retouch my face, okay?
Okay, ma. I'll just get you.
Okay. Woo.
I noticed you deleted your post immediately, the post of your engagement.
Oh,
why?
Ash doesn't want it in public yet.
And do you know why?
He doesn't want it and that's it. He mustn't tell me everything. See, you should learn to mind your business.
Sorry, ma. This is the foundation.
My super foundation is almost out. You should order a new one. See, don't always wait for me to tell you before you place orders for these things now.
I'm sorry, ma. Sorry.
I'm not messing around in my house with that your annoying boyfriend when I leave.
Who?
Whatever, we're running late. You know who is Rowan.
No, Rowan is not my boyfriend.
Ash, whatever.
Ma, you can come over here.
Please just hurry up.
Stop. Foundation.
Ooh.
Come in. Hey.
Hi, Clark.
Hi.
What's up?
Welcome. I'm good. Claire is not around.
Really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you just call me and tell me so I'll do something else with my time?
You and I know how she behaves.
Wait. Did you draw that?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What? Is it bad? I can just take it
Oh,
away.
no. This is... You drew this? This is amazing. Wait, let me see. Have you tried pitching this to Pearl?
I don't think... No, I've not. I don't think it's good enough.
What do you mean you don't think it's good enough? I don't think any of Pearl's work is as good as this.
Really?
Who would believe you're a good designer? This is spectacular.
Okay. You know, I have to put up with Pearl's nasty behavior. This has been my dream. And I'm working for her just to get close to good opportunities.
Cool. Then Pearl should see this. Show this to her then.
Wow. This is the first time someone is admiring my work. You know, when I was little, my dad used to scold me when he sees me drawing. He said, it's for girls without vision.
He said that? Then I'm sure he has not heard about the likes of Coco Chanel and Donna Karan.
They don't know these things.
But I know you do well. I'm sure about that. I mean, I believe that one day you're going to share the same stage with these people.
You think so?
Well, from what I can see, I'll say I see so.
Hey, good morning. Good night. Leave.
What are you doing in my dress?
I'm sorry.
Are you trying to steal from me?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? Why do I feel like you're trying to be me so badly?
No, that's not what it is.
Oh, shut up! Then explain to me why you're in my dress.
And the other day you asked me to pick out a dress for you. And I admired all of it, so I decided to test one of your dress.
Clark. Yeah, I understand that you must be very jealous of me because I have a perfect life. I have a good career. I am engaged to be married to the most amazing man. But who are you? Look at you. You're just here, an ordinary girl trying to fit in my dress. But you know what? You can never be like me, no matter how hard you try.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You would always be that ordinary girl, clapping, cheering me up, and admiring me. That's it and nothing else. So better go drop this dress in me. Go and wash it.
Sorry. Okay.
No, get out of my house. Monkey. Can you imagine the rubbish? Imagine the nerves. God. Why do you always like this? Oh. Nonsense.
People like their lives don't matter. All the evil they show. All the wickedness they show. Don't care who gets hurt.
Where are we going today, ma'am?
To Jesus. Where is Jonas? Where's Jonas?
You fired him, remember?
Shit. And you still haven't gotten a replacement?
You didn't ask me to.
Are you a child? Do I need to spell out everything to you? God. Oh my God. Rowan, you're driving.
No, that's not part of my job description.
So how much will it take to drive me today?
It's not about the money. I just don't want to drive.
Please. Rowan, please drive me. I know that's what you want to hear.
Did you just say please? With all pleasure. Give me the key.
What's this? You look gorgeous today. Rubbish. How the hell does this keep getting in here without your knowledge?
Took you so long to come. I thought you almost gave up.
I did a little travel.
A little travel. More important than this job to you. Wow, that's fancy. I can see how serious you are.
Well, I just got engaged.
Oh, so ahead. Congratulations. Well, as for this, I can't find any changes here. They look same like the whole time.
Hazel, do not be like this now. See, I went over this the entire week, and the changes on them are very visible for even a visually impaired person to see.
Well, they are not good enough.
What we need may not be always by your side, no. The ones you love may never love you back, no. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find
Sounded very disturbed over the phone. Is everything okay? Oh, it's okay, it's fine. Everything will be fine, okay?
I don't know what to do anymore. I've literally done everything I know how to do best, but nothing seems to be working.
Okay. We'll figure it out together. Alright?
Okay.
You should get going. I'll bring her home.
I should leave?
Just go. You'll be fine, okay?
When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human. For someone to feel they have all power, treat people like their lives don't matter. All the evil they show.
For you.
No, the wickedness they
See, Yash,
show.
I am not in the mood for a drink, please.
Okay. I've got good news for you. But first, you have to have a drink. Come on, have a sip.
Okay. So what?
I have a friend in South Africa and he wants to meet.
Okay.
It's actually a big brand, even bigger than Hansi Gala.
Wow. I'm interested. You can go on. And they want to meet with me?
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
But there is a condition. You see, he wants to establish a branch here in Nigeria. So he's actually interested in buying off your brand and not your designs.
Ash! Wait. And they don't think I am good enough? Well, screw them. I am not interested. I am the best and I am going to prove it. Okay? He can go to hell with his offer.
Look, come on, babe. No one is saying you're not good enough. Look, I know you're good, but maybe not in this part. Look, babe, I've watched you struggle for many years just to get to the big stage. It's not working and it's beginning to drain you.
Ash, wait. I can't believe you're suggesting I give up on my dreams. This is my life, for crying out loud. And this is all I know how to do best. You know what? There is no way I am going to give up.
Look, babe.
I think I should just start going because...
Can you just listen to me?
What we need may not be always by your side, no. The ones you love may never love you back, no. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling.
What's this?
It's a rough sketch. I've been working on it since I've been in high school. And every sketch comes with its own inspiration. Every drawing you see there. I was going to show you once I'm done.
Oh, I see.
What do you think about it?
Well, I think you should shred it into tiny pieces and burn them to ashes. Because it's trash.
Oh, are you serious?
Clark, do you want to start competing with me?
No. Why would I compete with you? Why would I? I just need an opportunity.
And you will never get one with this garbage you call a design. Okay? One piece of advice for you, Rick. Do not try so hard to fit where you do not belong. Rowan, I'm coming, please.
Don't tell me you're allowed what she told you to hurt you.
I am not hurt. I am just pained. I can only dream. This can never come to reality.
What are you talking about? Listen to me. This is reality. You're doing big things. You're doing it already. And this is very, very beautiful. Listen to me. Take this. Clean those tears of yours. I said stop crying.
This is good. And this is good. I need a concept for my ad campaign. I need you to work on it. Yeah. Rowan, I'm talking to you.
Well, why do you feel the need to insult people? Especially those that work for you. They put in so much work to build your brand, and you don't even see them. You don't act like you appreciate them. You put them down at any slight opportunity. Why?
I beg your pardon? How dare you speak to me that way?
I'm going to speak to you anyhow I want to speak to you. You're not God, Pearl. You're not God. You shouldn't have talked to Clark like that. There are many other reasonable ways you can give someone feedback. I mean, you gave a destructive criticism. You would have just constructively criticized her without hurting her feelings.
And who said I care about her feelings?
Really?
Look here. You've been crossing your boundaries a lot lately, and I won't take it. Let this be the last time you will speak to me this way.
Don't tell me you got into a fight with her.
I can't stand that lady anymore. She's literally driving me crazy. She shouldn't have spoken to you in that way.
His all bounced her again. So I totally understand her. She desperately wants her designs to be displayed on that stage this year. But it doesn't look like it's going to work. Anyone will be cranky following such disappointments.
Why are you so nice? It can never be me. Never.
Hey, you have to take it easy with her, okay? I know you like her. Hey, please don't give me that look. I know you like her. The flowers. I know you left them. Sorry. Don't worry, your secret is safe with me. And again, you know she's engaged to be married to this hot guy. And I'm not going to watch you get hot.
Wait. I need you to just shift to the left a little bit.
You know you can actually do this without putting your filthy hands all over my body.
Fine. Are you ready now? All right. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Hello everyone, it's me again, your creative director of Pearl Fashion Line. Let's do it again, my bad.
Yeah, sure.
Let's go for another take.
You got this, you got this. All right,
Okay,
let's go.
so,
Come on.
Hello guys, it's me again. I am... Oh shit, I can't do this. Oh shit.
Calm down.
Jesus.
But why don't you just go straight to, telling them about your new design instead of all the preambles?
I sell... oh shit.
You got this, yes, just calm down.
And stop telling me I got this because I absolutely got nothing. I'm done here.
What? See if it's my problem. I'm done. Shopping, man.
I thought you've left.
Have you been crying?
Why would I be crying?
The line on your face.
Oh, that's probably it. I'm sweating. It's hot in here.
Wow, you're such a terrible liar. But you do recognize that it's not a crime, nor a taboo for you to admit your weakness once in a while.
I deserve to be on that magazine. I deserve a spot. I have worked really hard for it. My designs are amazing. They are the best, actually. You've seen my work, right? They're unbeatable. I don't know why Hazel is making things difficult for me. I don't know. She seemed to have it for me a long time ago. I know. She thinks I'm a competition, but this is my future she's using to massage her ego. Now she's striking me off until next year. Can you imagine?
Hey. Well, look. I think you should know this. You're an incredible person. Yes, you are a very hardworking girl. Literally one of the most hardworking girls I've ever met. You're great. I mean, there are a lot of things that I admire about you. However, honestly speaking, I think you can be a very difficult person sometimes. Yes, you don't take people's opinions. You don't want to accept correction sometimes. You're not meek. I think you're an amazing person, and if this other aspect of you can be a little bit adjusted, you're going to be such a high flyer. Because, damn, you're beautiful. You're spectacular. You're intelligent. You're smart. You are everything. Hey.
Why are you happy all of a sudden? Did you win a lottery?
No, I didn't win the lottery. You won't understand.
I do. I saw what happened. The kiss. Congratulations. But don't get ahead of yourself so you don't get hurt. She will never leave Ash for you.
Don't be so sure about that.
I'll need you to go pick up my clothes for tonight, okay? I'll send a picture of the design to your phone.
Okay, ma'am.
Pearl, I was thinking...
What were you not just taught? I don't think I'm in the mood to listen to any nonsense you have to say. I'm over. Can you stop addressing me by name? I have noticed you do a lot of that lately. I am your boss. Never forget that.
Are you okay? I hate to say that I told you so. Sorry.
Featuring in that magazine is actually a big deal for me. You don't know what that will do for my career. And now they're saying none of my creation is worthy. Debbie, I have never been this frustrated before in my life. God. Wait. Now you're beginning to sound like Ash. He also told me to let go. Debbie, please, I'll call you back later. Get the hell out of my room. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, but I just wanted to talk.
Talk about what? Look, you and I have absolutely nothing to talk about, so leave!
How long are you going to act like nothing happened yesterday? How long?
Wait, did anything happen? Because I don't remember anything happening. Eh? See, I have absolutely nothing to talk with you. I don't want to even have a conversation with you, okay? Get out! Do not stress me this morning!
The kiss. Did it really mean nothing to you?
Wait. So because we shared a kiss, we have automatically become couple, huh? I don't blame you. For why? You were not my type. You were not even this close. And as for that kiss, I regretted it. And you know what? Then I have been washing my mouth since because I feel so disgusted. And what are you trying to do? Are you mad? Eh? Imagine the nerve of this boy. Get out of here. Get out! Yuck! I don't blame you. Monkey. Fool, coming to kiss me.
For someone to feel they have all power. Treat people
Oh yes, you need to see the way your woman is looking. Absolutely stunning. Just for you. Of course I know what you like.
You might calm down, take it easy, or you'll do a bad job.
She's trying to mess with my emotions.
If you had listened to me, I told you, if you had not attached much emotions to the kissing, this wouldn't have happened. You won't get hurt.
Sometimes it's hard for you to tell the heart who to love or who not to love.
Well, your heart did you a strong thing this time. I feel so sorry for you, darling. It's Hazel.
Oh, Hazel. Hi, Hazel. What? Really? Oh, sure, why not? Okay, I'll see you soon. Yeah. Oh my God! Thank you.
What happened?
See, click. I am in. God, this is good news.
Congratulations.
I knew she was just being tough for no reasons. Tell me, is there any of her models prettier than me? Hell no. See, I am a designer and also my own model. Of course, the universe can never do without me.
I am so happy for you.
Of course you should be, because I'm about to take over the world of designs.
You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. You will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest
Why did you pull over? Hey, see, Rowan, no. I am running late for my meeting, okay? So don't start.
Why did you kiss me?
Hey. Never again am I having this conversation with you.
Why did you make me feel like you needed
So
me?
when I said I'm not going to do this again, get out of my car, in fact.
I love you, girl. I've always loved you. I love you a long time. That's one of the reasons why I've been putting up with your excesses. Because I'm madly in love with you, and that's reality.
Okay. So you are the secret admirer that has been leaving me flowers? Wow. You know what? Get out. Please, Rowan, get out! Get out! You're fired. I don't want to ever see you in my house again. Nonsense.
It was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be inhuman. For someone to feel they have all power, treat people like their lives don't matter. All the evil they show.
Hi.
Hey.
God.
Where's Phil? Aren't you supposed to be meeting with Hazel?
Sit down. Don't fire at me.
Wait, what? Why? You guys got into a fight again? Didn't you?
It's about time I took the US job.
US job?
Hmm?
When you got a US job?
Well, it was like a month ago. I got a deal from a very big brand, but I actually kept it on hold because I was hoping that I'll probably get a chance with Pearl, or she'll become a better person eventually. I was willing to forfeit the job.
Rowan, you got a job in the US and you're here receiving insults from her. You put your entire life on hold because of her. Oh my God. Who will love me like this?
Come on, of course, you know you're an amazing girl. Who will not love you like this? Anyone who decides to eventually settle down with you will be a very lucky man.
You're right. But some of us are not lucky in love. But since you have made up your mind, it's fine. I wish you all the best. But please, take care of yourself. And don't forget to keep in touch.
It's the Sanford speech for me. Come on. Why are you making me feel emotional? I'm not leaving yet. I'm not even traveling already. Like, besides, it's a global village. And how are you even sure that the deal is still standing? Don't worry. Maybe we even hang out one of these days. I invite you over for a drink. What do you think?
Okay.
But more importantly, I need you to understand these things. Listen to these words, yeah? You are very special. Like, you have a very great potential within you. And you need to realize this. I don't want you to keep looking out there for some sort of endorsement from haters or people that are not even real to themselves. Okay? I realized recently that you're very, very smart. You're very creative. You're more intelligent, more beautiful than... You have so much more outside this space. So much more. You should be a brand of your own. Believe me.
Thank you.
My friend. Let me get going before she comes here and meets me.
Okay. Take care.
How does it feel like there's something missing? Come give me a hug if I break your head.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
All right, we'll talk.
My goodness. This? Where have you kept this creative side of you all this while?
You mean you like it?
This is mind-blowing. You know what? Congratulations. Welcome to Hansi Garland Fashion House.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wait, so you mean I am going to appear on your magazine this year? And I would also be walking on your stage?
Exactly.
Wow! Someone wake me up. Somebody wake me up. My God. See, thank you very much. I promise not to ever disappoint you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you.
A certain young man came here the other day. He told me I should, give you a second chance. I'm glad I listened to him.
Okay, all the same, thank you.
You're welcome.
Congratulations, my queen. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, no, thanks to you.
All thanks to me.
What is it? Why are you pretending?
I didn't do anything.
She told me you went to plead with her to give me another chance.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
You know what? You are my hero.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Listen, you're a superwoman and I will do anything for you. And that's because I love you.
And I love you too.
Oh.
Thank you.
That should be my parcel, I guess. Oh my God. I'm on the front page. I freaking made it to the front page. Oh, this is a dream come true. Do you know how many years I have struggled to be here? It's finally paying off. God, thank you.
This is my design. This is the exact design you told me won't make
Oh,
it.
shut up your mouth. What are you blabbing about? Eh? What do you know? What do you mean I took your designs from you? What do you even know? You must be very stupid. Nonsense.
Treat people like their lives don't matter. All the evil they show. All the wickedness they
my
show.
idea.
Don't
Look
care.
me in the face and lie to me. I feel betrayed. I feel hurt. I have worked on that design all my life.
Belle. I wonder why Belle is such an extreme nutcase. So, sometimes I even wonder why I had to start liking a human being like that. You know what? I don't even know what to tell you right now, but I can assure you one thing. You're a better person. You're a better person in every ramification and collection. Morally, you're a better person character-wise in the aspect of creativity. I mean, that was your first idea. Your first idea made it to the biggest magazine cover page in town. Imagine what your second idea is going to be. Your third idea, your fourth idea is definitely going to blow someone's mind. I'm sure about that.
I have no inspiration anymore. I'm hurt. I am deeply hurt. 2 years I dedicated my life working for her. 2 years of my life. I feel cheated and betrayed by that one person I look up to.
Yeah. Do you have an Instagram account in that phone?
Yes, why?
Can I have it? Permission to take your phone, right? Good. Good.
There's nothing interesting on my phone. I barely post and I don't have much followers.
Very good. Let's start by making your first post.
No way, what are you doing? No way.
Yes, way. I'm trying to force you to start growing your own brand. You've stayed in the background for too long. This is emancipation, right? Trust me. In the meantime, let's order something so that it's supposed to be sweet.
Thank you.
Who's here? Please come.
So you're bent on leaving?
Yes.
By the way, where are you going to this day?
I'll stay at my friend's place until I get a place to stay.
A friend? Rowan? That's good. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
How is he? Rowan. Hope he's fine.
Well, you have his number. Why don't you call him and ask him?
Do you see what happened? Babe, you seem so disturbed. Is something bothering you?
Clark left. And I fired Rowan.
You have your reasons. Just forget about them. You got what you wanted, so you should be celebrating.
Yeah, I know. But I don't just know why all of a sudden she decided to leave. I haven't done anything to her. I have always loved and cherished that girl. Wait, you know what? You're right. I should be celebrating. She's not so important. She's just a bitter, sad, and jealous thing. Anyway, she did me a favor by leaving. I'll just have to get myself a new assistant.
That's it. Hire a new person and you'd forget about her. Babe, cheer up. Enough of all that. So tell me, where do you want to go? I want to spoil you silly today.
I like the sound of that. You know what? Let's go clubbing. You know it's been long I had fun, okay? My God, I can't just believe how much I focused on work that I forgot how to have fun.
So, clubbing it is.
Oh yes.
Let's go.
Clubbing! I can't wait to have fun.
Hey, but first, I need to show you something.
Ash, what is it again? What?
Just follow me.
Wow! I can't believe how many likes this picture got in 24 hours. 500 likes, 21 comments, and like 1,000 followers.
1,000 new followers.
Yes, 1,000 followers. Like,
Mad,
I feel
mad,
like
mad,
a celebrity.
Mad. Like I told you, I knew you were going to make it. I knew you were going to do big things. But you were doubting yourself.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Don't worry, by the time I'm done rebranding you and branding you and unbranding, rebranding, let me just save the words. By the time I'm done with you, you're going to be competing with the likes of Tiwa on Instagram.
Ah, Rowan, take it easy. It's going to take me a lifetime to get to her feet. But I'm going to say amen to that.
You really don't believe? Listen, it's all in the mind. Repeat after me, say, it's all in here.
All in here.
All in here.
All in the mind.
Amen, praise the Lord.
Amen.
Yeah, so let's talk about your designs. When are you going to start modeling them?
I have to get a sewing machine first. Perry is owing me. Once she gives me the money, I'll get one.
Fair enough. You see, you can use any space in this house. You can use the sitting room, the parlor, wherever you want to use. Just feel free. Make yourself feel comfortable, alright? I got you.
Oh, Rowan, thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
I was supposed to say you're welcome, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll think about it.
Stop it.
You're doing well. Come, let me show you something. This guy here is a professional. When I say I'm a professional, just no cap. And none of us is wearing a cap.
So drop the bag there. Look, you're driving me crazy. What's the meaning of this? Drop the bag next to me and not on the table, you fool. Give me the bag. Sis. Let's go. Yes, I am. And why are you standing there? What are you doing there? You want to take my pictures with me? Get out of my sight. Wow. Clark. Don't worry. I know you will come back. But don't worry. See, I will take you back only if you properly apologize to me for leaving.
I didn't come to get my job back.
Oh.
Well, I came to collect my salary. You're owing me for 2 months.
Excuse me, you don't work for me anymore, so why should I pay you?
No, Pearl, don't be like this. You have to give me the money and let me go.
You forfeited everything the moment you decided to quit on me, and that includes your salary. So I don't have money to give to you.
Pearl, don't push me. Don't.
What would you do? See, me and you are done here, okay? So just leave my side, get out of my side. As you can see, I was doing something very important before you stepped in. I'm ready.
So, you're not saying anything. How did it go?
She didn't give me the money.
Well, I'm not surprised. I expected it. She would never want to give you the money so that you run crawling back to her.
I am never going back to her. Never.
Good. I'll borrow you the money then.
Really?
Sure. Just give it to me when you have it.
Oh my God, Rowan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything.
Yeah. You can save the thank you. Save the thank you for when you start making millions from your fashion line. But right now, we have a lot of work to do. So just give me a list of everything you're going to be needing. Put the total amount there, and then...
You're the best.
Well, I hear that every day.
Come on, stop making a fool of yourself.
I'm not. I mean, I hear that weekly, every week.
Thank you.
I'm happy that you are happy.
I'm very happy.
know it's not a tale of black and white. Oh, nothing is as simple as it looks. What we need may not be always by our side. No. The ones you love may never love you back. No. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people looking. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You can find love in the strangest people when you're not even looking. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people. In the strangest people looking.
David, you are 1 hour late for my shoot. And trust me, you are in a lot of trouble. What? What do you mean you quit? Like, are you being serious right now? You know what? You were fired. Fired, fired, fired. Stupid boy. You imagine the nonsense. Honestly, I really don't know what to do. He is the third videographer to quit on me in just 2 weeks. My page is suffering. My brand is suffering. Eh? Hazel is threatening to replace me if I don't come up with a presentation soon. This whole thing is just frustrating.
Why don't you have a drink? This might make you feel better.
You know what? Clark and Rowan thinks they're the best and cannot be replaced. I will show them that anyone can be replaced. They are not the best. I single-handedly built this brand and their contribution was nothing.
How was your last trip? Do you know that I thought you'd never even come back again?
See, my guy, you know there's some kind of trips you just go for and you just want to just stay back and enjoy everything there you get. But come to think of it, Una is so far for this country. I swear. Can't you just see the kind of heat here? You guys are suffering. So I had to just stay back because, man, come on. I need to just enjoy some snow, you know, the views and all. I had to
Bro,
extend by 1 week.
I get your point. As for me, my next trip is on my honeymoon.
But guy, come to think of it, what's really happening? Like, this thing is not sounding like a song to me, like a usual song like that. Why? You guys haven't even picked date yet. What's happening?
Yeah, Pearl is not settled. She has just even calmed down for us to have a conversation about this.
Really?
She's always stressed about one thing or the other. But guy, don't worry. We'll fix a date soon and you'll be the first to know. So calm down, my guy.
Well, it's fine. Who am I to say? I'm not giving you guys time. You guys can have the whole time.
Thank you, my brother. So my guy, enough of all that.
Okay.
So tell me, what will I offer you? Let you go drink.
Wait.
Wait, before you answer.
Okay.
I know they're doing juice for this house. So anything but juice.
But do you know the funniest part? I wasn't even planning to say juice actually. But let me think of what you. Okay, probably something I can just clear.
No, I know what to get for you.
Yeah, you know, right? My G! No, we did. Man.
Yeah, who's that? Gina. Come and check who is at the door.
Thank you.
That should be my... Oh, my foundation. Took too long to get here. You may leave.
There's something I'd like to talk to you about.
And what is it? Wait. I hope you're not trying to ask for payment in advance. Because that's what most of you poor people do.
That's not it. I don't want to work anymore. I want to resign.
Not you too. Anyway, you know what? You can go. Okay? But it's your loss and not mine. I will get a replacement. But I promise you, you will never get anyone that will pay you as much as I do. Get out of my sight, ingrate.
You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. 'Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. You will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking. You should know you can find love in the strangest people, in the strangest people. Love can find you in the strangest places when you're not even looking.
Hey.
You care for some?
Yeah, I'll have that later. Let me just
Why not answer your call?
It's Belle. She wants to meet.
Why?
I don't know. I honestly don't care. I don't want to meet her.
You should go. It might be important.
Look, that girl is ill-minded. There's nothing she wants to tell me that it's going to be important. She's arrogant. Look at what she did to you. Look, if I go there, I might eventually tell her what I don't want to tell anybody. I might just say some very nasty things. So I'd rather stay here.
Calm down now.
So disrespectful.
That's okay.
Bring the food shop.
Now you want some?
This girl is a psycho. I must stop this hard bossy, domineering, you know. You understand?
Calm down.
Let me just see.
I don't know. Give it.
What?
Give me now. Say you don't want.
I'm editing your pictures, though. I need
enjoy.
nutrients in my body.
Don't worry. Enjoy. You got it. Can I just switch it off?
That's what I want to do now.
Babe,
Yeah.
we need to fix a date for our wedding. I think summer will be the best time for our honeymoon. We could have lots of fun in Greece.
Yeah, you see, I am almost done designing my project for Hansi Gala. Okay? So once I'm done, I'll decide on the most convenient time. And as for the honeymoon, hope it's not gonna make me miss my fashion show, because it's in 2 months.
Don't worry about that. We'll be back just in time, I promise you.
You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. Cause when you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find you.
Thanks for agreeing to meet with me. So what are we ordering?
What do you want? I don't have all the time. Go straight to the point, please.
Rowan, I miss you. I'm
I'll leave it
serious.
up,
I miss having you around. I know you love me so much. And you're working with Clark just to get back at me. To make me jealous.
Are you jealous?
Me jealous? No. I mean, why should I? See, I have a fiancé who genuinely loves me. Rowan, I am happy.
I didn't ask you all this, did I? It's not my business what happens in your life. I don't give a damn. Don't you understand? As for Clark, I am helping Clark realize her potential. She's such a real one. She's a genuine person. Very wonderful, spirited soul. And she's also very talented. That's why you stole from her to climb to the top.
Hey, just stop saying that, please.
Really? Does the truth hurt? I didn't know.
Rowan, are you screwing her?
And if I'm screwing her, is it your business? I thought you're getting married to the man of your dreams, so whoever I screw should be my problem. Right? Or do you like me? I mean, it's obvious you don't, so what's your problem? What's the big deal?
Come back and work for me.
Really?
I'll double your pay.
You don't seem to understand. Right? You don't understand. I can't stand you. I literally cannot stand you. Don't you get it?
Wow. That's a very mean thing to say.
Well, word of advice. Try and change. Otherwise you will ruin your own life by your own hands. Take a look at you. Have you had a close look around you? You hired this person today, the next day the person is no more. You hire this person tomorrow, the next day you fire them. Look at you, who is even working for you? Nobody. Everyone is running away from you. Does that not tell you something? That should be a feedback mechanism, an evidence to prove to you that there is something very nasty about your attitude. But you don't want to understand that. One last word of advice, or probably an observation. You are your own enemy, pal. So try and fix it. Have a great day.
The heart was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human.
She said she missed me. Pal, miss me. I know the game she's trying to play. I know what exactly she wants. She wants me to come back and work for her. Because nobody will tolerate her stupid behavior. I'm not going back. I mean, I've been used once. Never going to be used again. Never.
She loves you. She just doesn't want to admit it.
Well, I'm done thinking about her. I'm done.
Rowan, you have been thinking about her. I knew it.
Come on, that's not what I meant. No, that's not what I meant. Stop it. Stop.
Do you know when the wedding will take place?
What wedding?
So we can crash the party.
Are you seriously asking me that?
We'll get to eat something.
You're going alone.
You love her.
I don't.
You love her.
I don't.
You love her. You can't just stand her getting married to another man.
I said I don't. What? Which pissing me off?
You
Sorry.
love her.
Stop now. Why are you so annoying now? You know I'm not liking this now. Stop.
Excuse me.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Guess what?
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Girl,
god.
you're blown.
Oh my god.
Jeez, you're blown.
She said she wants to see me. She loves my design. I can't believe this is happening. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? Oh my god. Am I dreaming? This is a dream come true. Am I dreaming?
No.
Why did you do that?
I'm trying to pinch you to show you're not dreaming. I was trying to pinch you.
Leave me alone. This is a dream come true.
Look. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I want you to know that good things indeed happen to good people. Start believing that.
Thank you. All thanks to you.
I was kind of liking the hugs, man, for some weird reasons.
What's wrong with you? Stop it.
Can't I hug my best friend again?
Come on.
Can't I hug my
Let
bestie?
me see this mess.
Since we featured you in the front page of our magazine, there hasn't been anything from you. You went from designing one of the best dress to designing nothing. I believe you know business don't work like that, right?
I need more time, Hazel. Please, just give me a little time. And I'll come up with something better. Okay?
I don't think I know you. I don't. That is why the company has decided to replace you with a more capable hand.
Wait, a more capable hand? Ha! Of course you know I am the best in this game. See, I gave you a best-selling outfit. And no one has been able to pull such sale in the history of this company. Of course you need me.
No, I don't. Maybe you should check your page. Check our page. Check our page. Magnificent, right? You see, her post has the highest engagement since we've been posting. Listen, check the comments. Not only is she loved, her designs are what I call unique.
Everything. Every single thing I have worked for, it's all gone. Oh, God.
It's okay, babe. It's okay. You need to know that there are bad days in every business. It doesn't mean it's the end of the business.
You know, I shouldn't have trusted her. She snatched everything I took years building with a blink of an eye. What am I supposed to do? Have you seen her page? Her followers are almost nearing mine, and she's getting all the gigs. I wonder what they even see in her.
Let's get married. Go on a honeymoon. Listen, when you return, you rebrand and take them by storm.
My God, this is just so painful.
Babe, listen. You've worked so hard, and this honeymoon is a time for you to rest and unwind. Have enough rest because you need it. Okay? So, it's okay. So, why don't you get dressed? Let's go somewhere, probably have dinner, go clubbing, anything, just to take your mind off this. Just cheer up. Cheer up, babe, come on.
Why is it suddenly hot? Ay! Ooh! Baby! Baby! Where are you? The foundation I ordered is burning my face.
This is something in your face. Why is it turning red?
I don't know. Please just take me to the hospital, okay? It hurts.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Please hurry up.
The heart was made to be delicate, soft. When it's hardened, it shouldn't be in a human. For someone to feel they have all power.
Oh, it's you.
Treat people like lives don't matter.
Ash. Why did you leave me alone in the hospital? And you refused to pick my calls.
Because I had to work in the office that needed my attention.
Work? And you refused to even call me? Knowing fully well that I was alone in that hospital and there was no one else to take care of me.
Look, it's not my fault. Other things came up. You don't expect me to put my life on hold because you were in some hospital.
Ash. Ash, look at me. Why won't you look at me, Ash? Why?
Because I don't like your face. It disgusts me.
Whatever you do, remember karma is real. You will surely pay for what you've done.
Oh boy, you don't look like that now. I'm not a monster. Huh.
No, wait, guy. Like, you just called off your engagement just like that?
My guy, I can't pretend to see like her after what happened. Can't you really understand me? Have you seen her face? I can't even look at her face because of how heinous the sky is. My guy, see, you know me now. Beauty means everything to me. I can't pretend to be with someone out of pity. Ha.
Wait, I understand, but then, guy, you're going about this whole thing the wrong way. Come on, you have to be very diplomatic in your doings. You have to be very, very diplomatic. I mean, I'm not saying you must probably marry her by all means, but if I told you want to break up with her,
Can't you do that without hurting her? You're still not getting it. I don't care about her feelings. I just want her out of my life for good. Huh? You don't understand me. I'm not drunk.
It's a shame what happened to your face. But Pearl, you and I know how this industry works. Because of your scar, your face is no longer marketable. And one mistake you made is using only your face for your brand. Like, you design, you create, and then you model it. You should have introduced new models. Like, build a team. And one thing now is, if you try to introduce an unfamiliar face to your brand, it's going to flop. And I can't risk losing money.
Yeah, I understand.
See, I'm really sorry, okay? Maybe you should start by, hiring models and then gradually you start introducing them to your audience.
Okay, thank you.
My super creator. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
For someone to feel they have all power, treat people like their lives don't matter.
Sit down, beautiful. Thank you. So how did it go?
Very well. What happened to her face?
My dear, a scar or reaction from the foundation that almost took half of her face.
Oh, okay.
So, concerning the other designs.
Ash, I thought you loved me. You promised me forever. See, I have no one else but you. No friend, no family. Everyone has left. Okay? And I'll be all alone. If you do so too, please, please do not leave me.
Pearl, I don't want to pretend to want you when I don't. You're going to suffer and I don't want that for you.
See, I can do a surgery. My face will be normal and things can go back the way they were. You loved me, didn't you?
I did. Believe me. That was because you were beautiful. Like, very beautiful. But look at you now. You're a whole different person. I'm sorry, I can't deal with the new you. I'm sorry, Pearl.
Ash.
I can't do this anymore.
You never loved me. You don't even know what love is. Because if you do, you would see beyond the scar and still love me regardless. Ash, you loved my beauty, not me. Yes.
Love is endearing, love is supporting.
Bye.
Love opens up for more. With just a little bit of time, just a little bit of time, everything alive.
So, how did it go?
Went well. I'll be featuring in this week's magazine.
Whoa! Just like that. This is good. What's the matter? You're meant to be happy.
I saw Pearl.
Oh, and she embarrassed you. She made any kind of troubles?
No. Something happened to her. She bought a foundation that left a terrible mark on her face. She's with a scar. Rowan, I don't think she's okay. This is the first time I'm seeing her look so terrible.
Well, are we meant to be concerned? Congratulations once again. Why do you have such a beautiful heart?
Thank you.
Smile first.
Thank you.
Smile. Why are you this nice? Belle? 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 Belle, are you okay? God. Belle! 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 Jesus, where do I start? Belle! God. Belle! Hey. You're up. How are you? Did you awake?
You saved me. Why didn't you leave me to die? I am a very terrible person. I don't deserve to live.
Yes, you are actually a terrible person. But look, I believe everyone deserves a second chance at life. And you're not exempted. How do you feel now? Take it easy. Careful, careful, careful. Take it easy. Small, small. Oh, thank God, you're able to sit. Take it easy, take it easy. Small, small. Just try and sit down. Doesn't matter. Are you okay?
Yeah.
A little more, just a little more. Sit, just sit. Sorry.
Thank you. Rowan, look at my face.
Look, first of all, I'm going to say you are very dumb. How can you think of... You couldn't think of any other thing than to take your own life? Really?
Look at my face. Look at me. No one wants to be with me. No company wants to work with my brand. Hansi laid me off. I have nothing. Absolutely nothing. I am back to square one. And it's really hard for me.
Wait. And you feel the best thing to do is to take your own life. Come on, you can do better than that now. Sorry, it's fine. It's okay. I was really hoping that by the time I come, I'm so happy that you finally up.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Finish up so you can take your drugs.
Why do you still care for me? Despite all I did to you.
That's because I'm not like you. I do not keep grudges.
You were the one who went to Hazel to plead on my behalf, right? You cared for me, even though I was the meanest person. Rowan, I am sorry.
Hey, look, there's actually no need for an apology. I said I don't keep grudges. I don't hold any grudges against you. Now, go ahead and finish your food. Let me get that. What is that? Hey. How are you?
Thanks for coming to see me, Clark. It's okay. It's fine. Don't worry, I forgive you.
What we need may not be always by your side. No.
You were my best friend. But I just failed to acknowledge it. You see, when I told you you will never make it in the industry, it was because I feared you. Your designs were nothing I have seen before. Yeah. I should have helped you instead of trying to ruin you.
It's okay. It's all in the past now. I forgive you.
And for stealing your ideas.
For every bad thing that you have done to me, I forgive you. And I'll be here with you until you get back on your feet. Okay?
With a scar like this, right? Ash left me.
He's always been a jerk. It's just that you didn't see it. Don't worry. Well, everything is going to be fine. I can assure you, Rowan and I will be here to make sure you get back on your feet. Make sure we'll help you out in your career. You're going to bounce again. Trust me. Right? Come here. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Stop crying. Come on. It's okay. It's okay.
I look ugly. People seem to look at me a lot.
Maybe they are just admiring you. Don't let it bother you. That's because you're still the most beautiful girl I see. And I love you. Very much. I love you long time. I've literally loved you from the day that I stepped into your house to resume my work for you. Even though you were very rude. Very rude. Nonsense girl. You were like, "Hey you! Why are you there? Why are you just coming late? Here, you're fired!" In my mind I was like, in my mind I was like, who is this witch? Who is this fair, pretty witch? Honestly, that was just something very intriguing, very interesting about you. I couldn't really put my arms around it, but well, that's what I see. That beauty. I don't see no scars.
What we need may not be always by your side, no. The ones you love may never love you back, no. You may wonder, you may question if true love still exists. find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. When you find the one for you, you will know. There's a special kind of feeling it gives. You should know that love can find